Okay, so I'm gonna get this governor arm here, the throttle linkage to the governor arm in here first, and then I'm gonna go ahead and adjust the governor to where I think it's supposed to be. So let me know if I'm doing this wrong. I can't find any manuals for this thing. There's some YouTube videos, but not specifically for this machine. I can't find it. It says this is a Kohler, so I got that on there. This pulse pump's kind of in the way of everything. So I'm going to come down here and let's see if I can kind of zoom in on it a little bit if I can. Get this down. There we go. Get this camera on there. Center it a little bit if I can. Okay, and I'm going to get right down here. So in this direction of the throttle linkage here, if I go this way, this is opening the throttle. That's full open down there. Okay, so I can see my throttle plate full open. So going this way with the linkage, going that way is this way, that way is going to bring it to full open. So this is full open, that's closed throttle, full open. So I go full open. Then I'm going to come down here, and I think that the governor arm is supposed to be that way in the same direction. Everything goes in the same direction, is what my understanding of it. Okay, so I'm going to loosen this up. Once I get this loose, it turns, the actual governor shaft turns pretty easy. So, and it stays. So I got it fully counterclockwise. I got fully open throttle. And now I'm going to tighten this back up. Make sure nothing's moving around. And let's see how she runs. Get this back on here real quick. I was having some issues with the linkage. I'm hoping it was just the linkage, but we'll see. Oh, man. Okay, that's still hot. Don't do that. All right. I got to snip that. All right. Shocking. Okay, so I'm going to get this back together. And let's see. All right. These tools down, and while I'm thinking about it, I'll just go ahead and snip off that line that goes to the anti-backfire valve, fuel shutoff valve, anti-backfire valve. So that's what this is, and I'll just cut this off so it's not making a connection on there anymore. And I'm gonna come back here and put some heat sink on it so it doesn't ground like it just did a second ago. So I'll get this around here so it's not touching anything. All right, let's back this up a little bit. Raise it up and give this thing a whirl, see how it runs. Sorry about the camera challenges. Here we go. Okay. Cross your fingers. Okay, you got fuel. Actually, I'm out of gas. Okay, here it goes. I'm hoping there's no internal governor issues there with that thing coming apart or something. So anyway, let's get this thing going. Okay, all the linkage seems to be working okay. Did I put that? All right, let's fire it up. Fire it up. Okay. Don't get it. It was out of gas a second ago. Put this up a little bit. Okay, choke. That was all the way down the throttle, so I don't know what I'm doing wrong. Any tips on what I might be doing wrong, or if you think it might be an internal thing? I can do this again, just going the other way. So if I loosen this, actually I don't even need this. Get down here. All right, now I'm gonna go ahead and just go kind of the opposite of what I did. So I'm gonna loosen this up. I had it all the way. Okay, so this was like open throttle. Let me get to full throttle here. Okay, so that's full throttle. And see, that's kind of going against the throttle spring. So this is like full open. And now if I put the governor fully to the right, let's see what happens. So the governor arm is fully to the right. I was thinking everything went in the same direction, but now I get the, I've got the governor arm pushing the throttle linkage and the throttle full open, and I went clockwise all the way on the governor shaft right there and locked it down. So let's see what's going on here. See, I'm not getting any play. You don't get any play whatsoever in the governor arm when you do that. So I just want to see what it does. Okay, that was definitely not it. Maybe there's some happy place in between. I don't know. Any help be appreciated on this one.